Hey everybody, and thanks for watching Woodcrest Bonsai. Today I'm going to work on this Phyllanthus myrtifolia. This is a very new tree to me, and I find it very intriguing. And when I say work on it, I'm not going to do much of anything. I want this as my stock plant. And I wish I had a picture of when I purchased this tree because it was just peaked. No fertilizer, all yellow, much smaller, and it has grown just beautifully. So what I want to do is to use this as my stock plant. So all I'm really going to do in this video is wire it up like that. And I don't even think I would call it wiring. I'm just sort of going to use the wire as more of a stake. So I may wrap it around, a little bit, but really just more to keep it upright. Not trying to manipulate the structure of the trunk to create any kind of form. I just want it upright. So that looks good enough for me. And now that it is upright, I'm going to repot it. So right now it's in an 8-inch bulb pan, although it's not like these green bulb pans. This is more of like a nursery pot, but what they call an 8-inch bulb pan. They're a little bit deeper. So I want to grow it up. So I'm going to put it into a 10-inch bulb pan. I think this tree can make a nice bonsai. So I'm sort of torn between either the 10-inch bulb pan or a 3-gallon pot, just a large 3-gallon pot. And if you turn the bulb pan upside down, you see it's virtually the same thing. Obviously this is much deeper. So do I want roots that are much, much deeper? Or do I want to keep the roots fairly shallow so that when it is time to turn this into a bonsai, it has a much shallower root system? So that's what I've decided. And this thing, even though it's new to me, I hear that it's very easy to take cuttings. So in the spring I will be rooting it like crazy. And so that's really all I'm going to do for the next step, is to get some of my homemade landscape soil, put it in the bottom of the pot, grab the critter. Now this is in a completely different mix. It's got a lot of perlite, but I don't think it's that big of a deal. I want to try to avoid circling roots, so I'm just going to take it with my fingers. Try to keep circling roots from continuing to grow in a circle. Because eventually, if I do want it as a bonsai, I have to deal with that soon enough. If I was going to make this a stock plant and just stick it in the 3-gallon with a much deeper root base, I probably wouldn't be worried about that too much. Alright, so that's about it. Put them in there. And the stake fell over. So we'll just do it again. Once again, not looking for any kind of form. And just like with the juniper I did yesterday, all this growth that is now, weird because it was growing basically horizontal, will all straighten itself out. And then just grab more of my soil mix. And this guy is on his way Today it's just a beautiful warm day, even though night before last it was in the 30s. So this is a tropical tree, but I think it doesn't really matter on this guy. I really need to get to my other temperate trees fast because it's good. I know it's just going to warm super quick. So there you go. Phyllanthus myrtifolia, sometimes commonly called mousetail plant, because apparently the foliage looks like a mousetail. Sometimes I wonder about the imagination of some of these people that name these things. Anyway, I'm not going to fertilize right now, but I am going to give it a really good dose of fertilizer once spring comes. And for me, spring is about the 15th of February, so we've got about a month. So just water it in, let it kind of recover, then give it a good shot of fertilizer. And then probably at the end of February or sometime in the middle of March, when spring is really underway, then I will take the cuttings. Until then, I hope this thing just goes crazy with growth. If you search online, there's some really nice bonsai out there. Pictures of bonsai from different people of this guy. So looking forward to great things. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and you'll be able to watch this guy develop further. I will do a video when I take the cuttings, and we'll see what happens. You know, this is kind of a 2, 3, 4 year project, but I want it to get as big as I can. When it roots into this pot, I may even put it into a 14-inch pot. Just let it keep getting bigger and bigger, and take cuttings. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment if you'd like. So that's all for today. Repotting a Phyllanthus myrtifolia mousetail plant. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.